Dear students, this is Basavaraj Mali, Sheikh College of Engineering and Technology, Belgaum. So today in solid waste management, I am going to tell about sanitary landfilling. In that, the design of sanitary landfilling. That is, in particular with the design, we will study a layout of landfill site. So layout of landfill site. It starts with an entrance. This is a huge landfill area. So it starts with an entrance here. Here we have got employees and equipment shelter. For convenient transfer station, that is any exchange of materials, separation will be taking here. Then these are plantation is done for screening. So it should not be from the front view, all the things should not be visible. Then this is a special waste holding area very near to the entrance. So everything is fenced properly. This is the area border. Then inside we have got fencing, this fencing area, which can be movable. As we complete, it can be taken inside this fencing area, movable fencing area. So this road is accessible throughout the site. So at entrance there is a platform scales where we can even weigh the material coming inside. So here when you start inside, this is a wet weather filling area. During rainy seasons, if vehicles cannot move inside, the completed wet weather and future wet weather filling area is kept at the entrance. So here when vehicle in other seasons, when vehicle goes inside, here this is completed filling area. Various cells are created. Soil material is stocked up for covering the cells. Then this is the future, that is active filling area, which is running now. So groundwater, natural groundwater, if it is this way here as it is given here, various these gutters or trenches are taken all around. Here the natural rainwater enters and it is drained out. See here one drain, another drain, so that it will not enter and disturb the entire area. So drainage system is done. Then all roads are properly laid out. This is wet weather landfill. This is dry weather landfilling. This is area for a future filling. So this is one of the typical layout. Here you can see small dots. These dots are a monitoring well. Here these are dug to study the water contamination, whether water is contaminated by this soil filling. So for that, these small wells are dug and monitored often. So this is a typical layout of landfill site. Thank you.